Hi everyone, my name is Sanita Regina Pramesti dengan NIM 2503060128.
My name is Lia Rahmawati dengan NIM 25030601508.
So, before we dive into anything else, I wanted to bring up something interesting. Lately, it feels like every decision people make, big or small, is somehow connected to what they see online. And with that in mind, we're going to talk about how social media influences people's choice. So, Leah, have you realized how every time there's a political issue trending, our feed suddenly explode with opinions? It's like TikTok becomes a mini parliament.
True, and what's weird is that sometimes I hear about political news from social media before I even see it on actual news site.
Yeah, same. I think people my age get like 70% of their political info from social media. It's fast, but also kind of dangerous.
Yeah, because fast doesn't always mean accurate. The problem is people don't check search anymore. If a video get a million likes, everyone assumes it's true.
Exactly. And influencers, wow. They have so much power now. Even the one who don't normally talk about politics suddenly jump in when something viral happens.
Right, and when they talk confidently, people feel like it must be correct. Some of them don't even research properly, they just share their opinion as fact.
And the algorithm makes it even worse. It keeps showing us content that matches what we already believe. So we end up thinking our viewpoint is the only logical one.
That's the echo chamber effect. Like, if you support a certain politician, your feed will be full of video praising them and attacking their opponent.
Yeah. And then people get super defensive because they only see on one side. It becomes harder to think critically or even listen to different perspectives.
And have you noticed how political content is packaged like entertainment now? Edit, meme, funny sound effect. It makes serious issue feel like a trend.
That's true. Sometimes I worry that people support or attack politicians not for their ideas, but because they look cool in a viral clip.
Or because their favorite influencer said so. There was this friend of mine who suddenly changed her political stance because a popular TikToker made a dramatic story time about why she support a candidate.
Yeah, I've seen that too. It's persuasion without people realizing it's persuasion. Political marketing has basically moved into our For You page.
And political ads, my god, they're everywhere. Sponsor posts, target ads, reels, everything.
And the creepy part is how targeted they are. Sometimes I feel like these platforms know more about me than I do myself.
Same, they know your interest, your age, your background, and then they give you tailored political message that can totally shape someone's opinion.
And misinformation spreads insanely fast. One viral post can influence millions before anyone check if it's fake.
Yeah, and by the time the real information comes out, people already believe the wrong one. It's so easy to manipulate public opinion now.
So that's why political polarization feels stronger. Instead of bringing people together, social media often pushes them apart.
And debate online, they're not real debate, they're just people shouting in comment section trying to win instead to understand.
Exactly, and the pressure to join a side is huge. If you're neutral or still learning, people attack you for not caring.
That's why young people need digital literacy. Like, we have to now to fact check, to analyze context, and to recognize bias.
Yeah, just because something is trending doesn't mean if it's true. We should slow down before sharing our forming strong opinion.
And we should follow credible news, search to not just influencer. They can be helpful, but they shouldn't be our only reference.
Definitely. I think social media can be a good tool for politician education, but only if people use it wisely.
I agree. It makes information accessible, encourage youth participation, and help people speak up, but we need to balance it with critical thinking.
Exactly. At the end of the day, political choices should come from understanding, not just from a viral video.
Well said, and honestly, our awareness is already a step forward. If we know we can be influenced, we can be more careful.
True, so let's try to be responsible digital citizen, even if our For You page keeps tempting us with junk.
Deal.